You open your dryer door to do some laundry and you look inside and you notice that there's water all over the dryer, stuck to the door, water in the dryer. And it's scary because you think maybe a pipe broke, you have a leak somewhere, and this could be very scary. But don't worry, this is an easy thing to fix and you might not even have to do anything. So there's two reasons why there will be water inside your dryer. Number one is something that's really dangerous, and that's if your dryer vent is completely clogged. So if you keep putting in soaking wet clothes, and there's not enough airflow to dry the clothes, then all the water from the clothes is going to stay in your dryer. So no matter how many times you do it, it's not drying and you're putting wet clothes in. So what you're going to have to do is clean the inside of the dryer, clean the dryer vent, and clean where it lets out, either on the roof or on the side of the house, and then test it and confirm that there's actually air blowing through the system. It should be nice and strong when you go to check it, and make sure that the air is blowing. But if you get your dryer vent cleaned every 6 months to a year and you know that there is no chance of the dryer vent being clogged, or you clean the dryer vent and you try to do this again and you still are getting that water, then this could be condensation. So especially in the summer, my videos about this get a lot more views in the summer because it's hot outside. It's 90 degrees. Where I am in Florida, it's like 100 degrees. And inside your house is a comfortable 73, 75. So what happens when you take something ice cold into somewhere warmer? You get condensation, just like taking a beer out of the fridge. So what's happening is the warm air is getting blown from wind or gusts, getting blown through your vent into your house and then coming through the dryer, and you're getting this condensation. So there's a couple of ways to fix this. One of them is really easy, and that is just keep the door open slightly. A lot of people keep the door open on their washing machine so that they don't have mold inside. So it's the same concept. If you keep the door open, then it is going to let the condensation dissipate and evaporate, and you won't see the water. Just make sure that the light inside your dryer turns off. You don't want that light going out. Another thing that you could do is absolutely nothing. Just leave it, deal with the water. It's going to dry anyway because, well, it's a dryer. Another thing that you could do is get a pretty inexpensive product, and I'll leave a link down below, and that is a damper. So it goes in the middle of your dryer vent system, and it only opens one way. So your dryer is blowing up, so it's only going to open with the direction of the airflow. So when that dryer is on and blows, it opens, but when air comes back in, it doesn't open on that side. It's called a dryer damper, and I'll leave links down below. And if you want to learn how to clean your own dryer vent, check out this video over here.